There we go. We're in the cave at Svedra. Just like that. Look at this view. Hello again, Dwayne here. I'm here in Ibiza. I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful villas I've ever laid my eyes on. Just look at this place. It's a little bit cloudy today, but what a place. Unfortunately the clubs, I didn't have any more clubs that I could go to, so I thought, why don't we go and check out some of the villas? And this place is incredible. It's a little cloudy today, but yeah, I'm just in awe of this place. Wow. Look at, you've got your own bar. Imagine you were out there with all your friends. So this place is just incredible. To put it into perspective, to rent this villa in the summer for a week, it would be around 40,000, anywhere up, depending on what time of the year it is. Just look. So yeah, I'll take you inside in a little minute, but there's something cool I want to show you about this place. Wow, that's definitely given me a bit of motivation, so best get commenting. I don't think I'll ever afford something like this, but can you imagine staying here with all your friends? It'd be perfect venue for all sorts, like weddings and that. Incredible place. So let me know what you think about this content. I could definitely see myself here. Probably not anytime soon, but wow, just wow. But there's more, let's go and see it. Apparently there's a hot tub outside. I can't wait to see this. Oh my days, look at this.
Naturally, you know, but by demand. Yeah. You know, people say, oh, there's a demand, oh, let's upgrade the hotels, which they're trying to redo. But it's also, I don't think you could just suddenly, I mean, you could kind of, you have a new target market by advertising. You can't.
Wow, this is insane. Look at that. This is definitely the life. So yeah, this part of the villa, as you can see, this whiteboard, pond. It's an outdoor cinema. Insane. Unbelievable. Oh. Not only does this villa have an outdoor cinema, it's got its own DJ booth. How cool is that? The DJ standing here and all the people out there. Incredible. But look at this bit. This bit is my favourite bit. Just imagine with all your friends. Cooking area, big table, all the boys or all the girls, or mixed, whatever. You have your own chef, I guess, that week. I'm just walking. I generally don't even know where I'm going. This place is just blowing my mind. So does anyone fancy a game? Ah! Just have a look at this terrace. Wow. Insane. Wow, unbelievable. Oh, check out this. I'm not going to give an extensive view of the villa, but look at this for a room. Imagine waking up to that and you can see the sea out in the distance, which is incredible. Beautiful place. Very lucky to get to look at this, you know. So yeah, just thought I'd show you around one of these, one of the villas that I'll never be able to afford. Nah, I don't know, you never know. Work hard and all that. But yeah, I'm not sure what the plans are today. If you do like Ibiza content, do subscribe. And I'll keep the thing flowing. It's a bit of a cloudy day, but yeah, that was one villa down. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm sure I'll be doing plenty this winter. Just trying to keep busy. Look at these bushes and the walkway. Incredible. It's a good 5-minute walk to the end of the door. Hear the roosters? Incredible. What an island. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. And yeah, stay tuned as always. So this is one of my favourite additions to the villa. My man. Sunset, and where do you see this? That's one of those bags for like big materials and building. So yeah, put your rubbish away if you're going to the beaches or coming to Esfedra.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can't actually park here anymore. If you've been here before, you used to be able to park all the way up until here. That way is the way to Atlantis. And now we're going to go and watch the sunset. As you've seen from the villa, it's a really cloudy day, so the sunset might not be amazing, but normally it's decent if it's cloudy. I want to also point out the villa I mentioned is worth around 40,000 a week. I didn't get to show you all of it. There's many different buildings and it's amazing. I just wanted to test the water with that type of content, so let me know in the comments if that's what you like. And I hope you're all keeping good. Right, so I'm going to go down to the cave. Actually, pretty steep. You don't want to fall. There's usually somebody in it, or hopefully not. There we go. We're in the cave at Esfedra. Just like that. Look at this view. Well, it's been a relatively interesting enough day. I hope you enjoy this. Just to kind of show you how dangerous this is. Do be careful. Oh, fucking cat! God. Sorry, the cat just scared the shit out of me. Whew. Start the month as you mean to go on. There's two women in the cave playing some instrument. Jesus, I am bored this winter. if you've not got a head for heights, don't look now, but don't try this. I've got a very wide lens and I'm not actually at the very edge, kind of. See? Safety first. So that was another Esfedra sunset. I like to go there at the start of every month, as you probably have noticed if you follow me on Instagram. I've been there quite a lot this summer with doing bits of work and stuff, doing the live streams from Esfedra. I want to take the opportunity again just to thank everyone who has paid for the subscription. Just a couple of people have signed up as of the last few weeks. Amazing, just every little helps, and appreciate it. And yeah, I promise I'll keep these vlogs going. I'm not sure what I'm going to do because sunset has gone down. Obviously it's only 6 o'clock, so I might go for a small beer, and then I have to be home by 10 p.m. because curfew says so.